Hi guys, Nicole Vincent here. Today I want to share with you a little hack for those of us that love our Amazon influencer Chrome extensions, but maybe we're traveling and we can't take a laptop with us or we just don't want to. Now, today I'm going to share with you a hack. This is for Android devices only, whether it is a phone or a tablet, but I will show you how you can access your Fluencer Fruit extension on the go on these devices. So let's check it out. I don't believe this works on iPhones, but it does work on Androids. So you're going to search for Lemur browser. Here we go. Click open or install. Then you are going to go to, it'll take a minute to install, and then you'll go to a new page and just search Google Chrome extension store and search Fluencer Fruit. You can see I searched here at the top and it will pop up. Then you will click on that. And it does help to put, if you click down here at the three dots or three lines at the bottom, click on desktop view. It makes it a lot easier to see. You will have to zoom in and zoom out, but it definitely helps to see and navigate better. Then we're going to add to Chrome. Okay. Now, once that's installed, once you're going to pull up a site that Fluencer Fruit runs on, you're going to sign in with your Fluencer Fruit credentials, and we're going to scroll out. So once you're signed in, you will go to like your storefront or whatever, and you can see Fluencer Fruit here showing up at the top. Make sure you're in desktop mode, and that way you can see, okay, oh, look, here's our carousel placement. Here's our whatever, and use your Fluencer Fruit that way. And when you are browsing, you can see your Fluencer Fruit stuff pop up here for your product research, which is great. So you can have that on the go. Again, this is going to work in this Lemur browser, not in the Amazon app. So just keep that in mind. But that way you can use Fluencer Fruit on the go when you don't have your computer at home. So hope this is helpful. I hope that was helpful for you, and enjoy using Fluencer Fruit on the go.